In this problem, we have an investor who is considering an investment in a startup company. She estimates that she has probability 0.25 of a $36,852 loss, probability 0.2 of an $18,712 profit, probability 0.15 of a $47,317 profit, and probability 0.4 of breaking even. That's a profit of 0. What is the expected value of the profit? And write only a number as your answer and round to the nearest whole number. So to calculate the expected value, right, or the mean, which is the same here, what we would do by hand is just take and multiply the probability times the number here, and do that for each one of these things, and then take the sum of that, add them all together. Make sure that this is a loss, so make sure that you would put that as a negative number. But here we want to just take a look at how you would do this with a calculator. So it's similar to a problem where they just give you the frequencies. So what you would do is go into Stat again, and then Edit. And then we're going to need two lists. The first list over here, they want the expected value of the profit. So we're going to list the profits that are possible in here. So the first one is a loss of $36,852. So that would be negative $36,852. Click Enter. Next profit would be $18,712. Click Enter, and that one's positive, right? Because we're making money there instead of losing it, like on this one. Here, $47,317. And then the last one is breaking even, which is a profit of $0. So put that in there. So now we have all the possible profits. And then now over in column L2, before or in other problems you might have had frequencies here, but in this one we will be putting the probabilities. So the first probability, or the probability associated with the $36,852 loss, is 0.25. So enter that in there, 0.25. Next, for the $18,000, the probability was 0.2. So enter that in. Next, for the $47,317, the probability was 0.15. And then finally, for the 0, the breaking even, the probability was 0.4. So click Enter there. Okay, so we have our two lists set up, and then we're going to go into Stat and Calc, and we want one variable stats. So click Enter. And then make sure that your lists are set up correctly. List 1, that would be the profit. That's what we're concerned about, the expected value of the profit. And then list 2 is our frequencies, which in this case are probabilities, but it works exactly the same as if you've done the frequency problem before. So scroll down. Our lists are set up correctly. Once they are, scroll down to Calculate. Okay, and then you get the display for the one variable stats, and we're interested in the expected value, right, which is another way to say the mean of this distribution here. And so that's going to be the very first line there, $1,626.95. If we round that to the nearest whole number, right, that would be $1,627.